and business. It was Mr. Dharmend Gounder whose drive and his vision for what Yatule, for the potential of Yatule, that has brought us to this point here today, and his direction will continue to guide the staff and the management team as we move forward. And it's again just really encouraging to see the all of you being here with us, so enjoying a holiday, and we look forward to welcoming you back in the not too distant future.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government, this is actually another venture that some of our local investors have gotten into, and it's wonderful to see that the private sector has the faith in the government, and vice versa. And I understand that the spa is one of its kind. Our MC has actually told you what the name means. We're looking forward to the use of it. I think Sam is the first in line for it. We've had a tremendous amount of growth in the tourism industry in the last year, and a lot of it has been because of the private sector involvement. And I congratulate Dharmend on what he's achieved so far, and I hope wish him well with the spa. And maybe there's a few more people here. I think there's a few more investors around the corner who are private sector people. There's another leaf that you can take out of Dharmend's book as to a different version of what you do. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, and I wish you well, you and the family and your group of companies. And I declare the Vishala Spa open. Thank you.
Thank you again. Please have another round of applause for the Minister. I'm actually going to take him on a short tour of the spa in a few moments.
Right.
Welcome to the spa. Which way are you going to take? This way or that way? Okay.
Thank you. How are your nails?
Water therapy massage, it's all made in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He did. So you line it.
You come and try it.
You tried it already.
That's the advantage of YouTube, because you know everybody.
A good idea. I can think of the people like you.
Yeah. Exactly. We need more golfers like you.
Well, that's it.
The Minister, thank you for those kind words. As he said, we've been in school together, so we come from the best part of the country. That's Lotoka. My friends, the chairman for the investment board of FNPF, members of the FNPF board, staff of Yatule and tour managers. First of all, I must say thank you to my daughter Pooja, who's been working throughout to get the ambience of the spa right. There's very little input from myself. Majority of the work has been done by Pooja and my wife, and of course the girls from the spa. So thank you very much. Before I forget to thank them, otherwise the later part of the evening may not be that fine for me. I also would like to thank FNPF, who've actually had the trust in us, and I'm pretty sure that, like I've said earlier to the board members of FNPF, is that with all what we've paying you, I think the trust is well that you have trusted us, and my good team here have believed in me, believed in the vision, and I'm proud to say that in the shortest span of time we've turned around the resort with good occupancy levels, and I'm proud that going forward we are looking at very good occupancy levels as well. I also welcome, Minister, the announcement of Fiji Airways flying into Singapore. I was in India just a couple of days ago or a week ago, whereby we have added extra staff to our India office. I didn't have any inside story that or any information that Singapore was going to happen, but that's a risk that we took. So the Bombay office is now going to have some extra staff to support the Singapore flights, whereby I think the Indian market will open up far more than what we're getting at the moment. As far as tour managers is concerned and Yatule Resorts is concerned, and personally, we are involved in the tourism industry. I have given a lot of my time and effort to the development of certain projects, and we shall continue to do that and work together with the government to ensure that tourism continues to prosper, and not only for us, for everybody else. My key vision for tour managers and the spa is to create new employment, and that's exactly what we're doing. I'm here to create more employment for people, and that's what we will do, continue to expand the business so that we have more employment for our locals. And one of the key indicators for our success is that in the shortest span of time, we've turned the resort around with absolutely no expatriate staff. And who says our locals cannot work? And this is what I wanted to show, my vision of a model resort. And I'm telling you, and the only expatriate staff we have hired, and they've just come in with me last week from Delhi, is a chef, so that we have authentic Indian food. The authentic Chinese food is cooked by staff from here, authentic Fijian food. So this is a resort in totality, a Fijian resort. With the spa, I think Robin has given you what the spa means, the meaning of the word Vishala. For me, it's more personal. That's my mother's name, and she is all what it has been described as a great woman, and I thank her for joining us this evening. With these few words, thank you very much. The spa can be viewed, you can visit the spa, and I'm suggesting that Robin and the crew will take about 5 guests at a time to go and have a look at the spa and come back and enjoy the cocktails and the dinner with us. Ladies, bookings are open for the spa now. So, enjoy the evening. Thank you very much. And Minister, thank you.